Welcome to Chatstat, the app designed to help you stay connected to your child's online world without crossing into surveillance. Let's get you set up. First time, tap Sign Up to create your account. Pop in your email address and create a password. Step 1. Enter your name so we can personalize your experience. Now add your child. This creates their profile inside your account. Tap Create Profile to move on. Choose the social media platform you'd like to monitor. Just tap the one you want to connect first. Type in your child's username for that platform. Just make sure it's spelled correctly and that their account is set to public. Once you're happy, tap Add Account, and you're in. The account is connected. Chatstat will start pulling in activity data shortly. This is your home screen. You'll see your child's profile card here, along with a summary of their connected accounts. If you have more than one child, you can add them from here too. The safety summary gives you a snapshot of the past 7 days, any high risk or moderate alerts, and the overall tone of your child's online activity. We'll also suggest a next step, like a gentle check-in conversation. Under Care Preferences, you choose how much you want to be notified. You can also customize exactly what Chatstat monitors. Toggle categories like mental wellness, explicit content, or substance abuse on or off. See something that worries you? Meet your guide, an AI partner built right into the app to help you make sense of what you're seeing and figure out the best way to support your child. Each profile shows their connected accounts and a breakdown of their recent activity, comments, posts, and anything that's been flagged. And in the Insights section, you can dig deeper into activity patterns over the past week, month, or year, filtered by category, so you always know where to look. That's it. You're all set. We're here always with tailored insights, early warnings, and real connection. Because staying informed means showing up for your kids in the moments that matter.